Bonjour, it's Miss Coco Lombico coming to show you a brand new look.
Alright, so to start off, I already cleansed, moisturized, and prepped my skin. I am using a brow powder from Bovanti Cosmetics in the color Auburn to fill in my brows, and then I'm going through with their Camouflage Cream Concealer to clean up and shape my brows. And then I'm also going to put this all over my lid, kind of like a base to my eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out that concealer, and I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm using Becca's Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in the colors Dark Golden and Warm Honey. Alright, so moving on to contour and highlight, I am using the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation for my low light on my contour. And I forgot to show you all my highlight, but I did use Black Radiance, Wet n Wild, and the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I accidentally deleted the footage, but I'll be sure to add it in the next video to give you a more detailed tutorial on that. So I flipped my beauty blender over to a clean side, and I am getting rid of any harsh lines or lines of demarcation that I have from the highlighting and low lighting. And the key to getting that flawless look is to just blend. Baby, blend, 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 blend for your life, honey. I promise you can never overblend, just blend. So now I am applying the matte pink color from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place all over my upper lid and blending that out. Next, I'm using the matte purple in the Zulu palette that is right beside that matte pink, and I am applying this to the crease of my lid. So I switched over to the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using the color Ife, and I am applying that just beneath the color we just applied in the crease. I am now using the NYX or NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone to cut my crease. So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the colors that we already used on each corner of our eye. So you're going to start out with the darker purple, into the medium color purple, into the pink, and you're going to leave the center of your lid blank so that we can create a halo effect with a silver eyeshadow and glitter. So now we're going to apply the color Umoja in the center of our lid. To help my halo pop just a little bit more, I used a cream metallic eyeshadow from Ulta, and on top of that I added Bovanti's Loose Glitter in Silver Streak. So now I'm just dusting off any fallout that I may have had from the eyeshadow, and also blending out my banana powder that I had to set my contour. I am using Burnt Pepper by MAC for my blush. And now I'm applying my favorite powder highlight, which is Crown of My Canopy by Wet n Wild. So during the live recording on Facebook, my followers wanted me to use a gray lipstick to complete the look. So I started off with Bovanti's liquid lipstick in Stone Age. In the center, I applied Soft Petal, followed up with a MAC pencil in Currant, and then topped it all off with a pink lip gloss. I am completing my look with Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. I absolutely love this spray because it does have a true matte finish. So now I'm just letting down my locks and styling up my hair how I would want to, but I forgot to show you all the step where I apply my lashes. I am wearing Ardell's Professional Mega Volume Lashes number 253. And so that pretty much completes the look. If you would like to give me suggestions or watch my next live video, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Miss Coco Lombico. All right. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.